This is my what should I be doing video because I have a little more faith in you guys than my 8th graders, but it came very clear to me when I was Zooming with them for all of 8 minutes before it just bombed miserably that people aren't really sure what I want them to do, even though I've posted and added things. It's just easier if I walk you through what I'm like setting Schoology up for the class, and if I can just do one of these a week, and then you can email me if you have any questions, and it still gives you a chance to see my face. And I can show you my cats in a second. I got the catio out. Beautiful day for a catio. So, on the updates page, I'll probably try to post something every day, or at least every health day. But, you guys know how to just check, so I just added this one. It says, I don't think we need to use Zoom. I tried it with the 8th graders. I should have tried it with you guys first. But it just didn't seem super beneficial. It's nice to see you guys, but I don't know. I don't really plan on teaching through Zoom. I plan on letting you guys kind of do your own thing, and I lecture through this screen recorder, so I feel like that I'm more comfortable with that because it just, yeah. It was supposed to be for you to ask questions and we could just talk and say what's up, but if you really want to try the Zoom, we can. If you yourself or you and a couple friends say, hey, Miss Getz, we'd like to chat or whatever, I'm more than welcome to do that with you. It's just, it wasn't super beneficial, especially for people just kind of popping in and listening. I don't know. I'm not that entertaining, but you should be doing the gym one. I didn't see a lot of 7th and 8th graders in the PE doing exercise. So you should be there exercising every day. So this is my What Should I Be Doing Week 1 video. I'll share the link on here. I'll post it on the materials page also. I hope it helps to kind of just show you where things are. So again, this is just the updates page. This is how mine looks. So your guys will look a little different, but I can see what I posted for each section because I have my classes linked. On the materials page is where you're going to find everything that you need. The notes is a copy of my PowerPoints. If you don't have your notes packet, just print these off or print your own notes packet and take notes. I have your skeleton notes here. If you left them at school, if you didn't, you might need to take notes by hand. I know it sounds tedious. I've had a lot of kids say, hey, I didn't grab my notes. What do I do? And you don't need notes if you think you're going to be successful without them. If you think you can just listen to my lecture video and retain it, then go for you, Right here is the lecture videos. I've been doing this screencast with my PowerPoint. So the nervous system went into 2 videos. So maybe on Tuesday you watch video number 1 and take your notes, and maybe on Thursday you watch video number 2 and take your notes, which is kind of how I spaced it for you guys, so you don't have to do everything at once. You also don't have to do things on health days. It doesn't matter to me. I kind of just told you what to do for a week, taking into consideration what days you would have health. Don't scratch my walls. I just painted those. Show you my cats in a second. So I'll be adding more. Our next unit is communicable diseases because, we're living in a time right now where the coronavirus is a communicable disease and it's taking over the planet very rapidly. So it's something that I think we should definitely be talking about. I'll post discussions on here too because the Zoom, again, is just not my favorite thing. Again, the skeleton notes are the notes I usually hand you in class if you want to print off your own copies. Otherwise, if you don't have a hard copy, you might need to make your own, more writing, but it could help you in the long run. I have the vaccine wars worksheet that I handed out at school. We're not there yet, so just please be patient. I know a couple of you have said, hey, jeez, there goes the cat. God. I said, hey, this video's not working, I can't watch it. I haven't assigned it yet. I really, really think we should talk about communicable diseases first, and then you guys can watch the video, and I'll have a little quiz based off of the questions that are on this worksheet. So if you don't have it, you might need to, by hand, again, kind of tedious, write the questions down and take notes while you watch the video, which you can watch at your own pace, which is kind of nice. The nervous system quiz, a lot of you, okay, not a lot of you, a few of you, a handful of you have already taken. My cats are so annoying. It's like having 5 children. So, some of you have taken the quiz already, and you've taken it once, twice, 4 times. I don't care how many times you have to take it. You should be retaking it until you get 100%. So those of you sitting with your 8 out of 10 or your 6 out of 10, retake it. You get to take it as many times as you want. Go through your notes. Go back up here, listen to my lecture videos. If you haven't, you know you want to listen to me talk about the nervous system. Super fun. It might even put you to sleep. Take a nap after, don't care. This is how my professor did it for college, and I literally would sit there and listen to her for hours on end, and it was horrible, but it really helped me as a visual and auditory learner, because if I just, oh my gosh, there goes my cat. If I just tried to do it myself, I would really struggle. So you don't have to, but I highly recommend it. It really helped me, and so this is kind of like, you know, introduction to college for you guys. Right here, super important, this is what I posted for the week. Some of you are like, I don't know what to do. This is what you do. Hello, and welcome to e-learning. Yay, this is how I'm going to present your assignments for each week. I'll give you assignments based on... Cat is tearing through the basement right now. Peaches, calm down. They're really excited about my catio being out, which I'll show you in a second. They got spring fever. But anyway... So, again, they should be completed by the end of the week. So even if, like, Friday wasn't your health day, but on Thursday you had a ton of math homework, and it was due at the end of the day, then I wanted to have my class be a little more flexible for you guys so that you don't fall behind. So, this week you would have had health on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, you lucky ducks. So, your job is to complete your notes on the nervous system. Easy enough. 2 videos. Watch video 1, watch video 2. You can do them on the same day. If you want to take a break because I'm boring you to tears, then take a break. By Friday, I said that you should have completed the nervous system quiz. I think I opened it up until next Tuesday. So I think I opened it up until your next health day, but you need to watch the closing date on that quiz because a lot of you haven't taken it yet and it's making me nervous. But it's only Tuesday, so you have time. But when that closes, it's closed and we're moving on. That's how e-learning's kind of got to go. It's got to hold you accountable just like we were in school. So again, take as many tries as you need and get that 100%. There's no reason you should not be getting 100%. You have notes in your hands with answers and you can take it as many times as you want. Go back, listen to me talk in the lectures, look at the notes, get the answers. It's always going to take your highest score, so if you get 8 the first time and 6 the second time, it's not going to replace your 8 with the 6. It's going to leave the 8 there. You, what are you doing? Hyper cat, come here. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. This is Peaches. He's got spring fever. He's my smallest baby. All right, go away. So, as always, I'm available through Schoology. A lot of you have been asking me questions. I don't want to use Zoom, so I'm just going to say we don't need Zoom. I'm going to do this for you. And if you have questions, just email me. If you want to talk face-to-face, I'm more than willing to Zoom, but I'm hoping this video is also an opportunity for you to see me. I want to see you guys too, but the Zoom really, I didn't think it benefited us, so I don't really want to do it. I do go through the Zoom for physical education though, so again, join the PE one every day at 2:30 until 3 o'clock, and we do different exercises every day, and it's good for you, and you have to do it for your gym class, so might as well. Alright, catio time. I think. Oh, look, there they are. This is my catio. It's in my window. There's a little tunnel that goes outside. You can see Peaches is in the tunnel. Rufus is farther out there. I think there's a bird he's looking at. Link's kind of chilling on the ledge here. Link. Daisy's down on the floor. She doesn't like her brother. She's kind of a little prissed. My fat cat doesn't go up here because he can't jump. But that's my catio. I hope you guys get outside today. It's beautiful. Get some physical activity and fresh air. Let me know if you have questions. This is all you have to do. Super easy.